Welcome to Atlanta Classic Cars. Over the next few minutes, we will take you behind the scenes to introduce you to some of our team members and the fast-paced environments they thrive in. We strive for perfection in all that we do every day. To achieve this, we are continually seeking out the best of the best to represent Mercedes-Benz and the Atlanta Classic Cars family.
I'm Greg Butera. I'm the painter here. Been here a little over 10 years and love it. I've always turned a wrench in some way, shape, or form, whether I was supposed to or not supposed to. Whether that be in the garage at mom and dad's and shouldn't have, but yeah, I've painted something or turned a wrench on something for a while. I graduated high school and went to a technical college for refinish. You get to see more of what you do than on the mechanical side of, not only a car comes in that's got a, bad water pump or something and it leaves and that's all you see, but a car comes in that's just mangled, hitting an accident, and it leaves and like it never happened. It's a little more, of a gratification that you could see what you did. I mean, it's a Highline car. It's a great car to work on, extremely safe car. The dealership is amazing.
My name's Ryan Payne. I'm a master technician. I've been here since 2003, so I'll be 13 years in June. When I graduated high school, I went to Southern Polytech in Marietta, got an associate's in mechanical engineering. Graduated, got a job, and I hated sitting behind a desk and worked at a bowling alley for a while. I was actually a pin setter technician, so I ended up going to Gwinnett Tech and went there and got the automotive program there. Almost ready to graduate because most of my credits transferred, and right before I graduated, they actually had a job fair, and the old shop foreman from ACC was there, and that's how I ended up at ACC. It's good money, it's something different every day, and I like the challenge of it.
My name is Doug Strong. I'm a team leader / diagnostic technician. I've been here 16 years. Started off when I was a teenager, basically out of high school. Worked on cars as a hobby. It eventually became a career. Yeah, I was in college for computers, information systems, but I just started working doing this and I liked it. I love computers actually. I still do it on the side, but these are like big computers. A few people that do transmissions, a few people do interior, a few people do electrical. Ryan does the engine work. I like doing electrical. So, dang Ryan, I told him that you were the best.
My name is Brian Hall. I am an internal service advisor. I went to the Navy right after high school. I drove a tow truck for 2 years and then I became a trainee technician, customer service advisor, and internal service advisor. I had spinal surgery about 3 years ago and couldn't no longer be a technician. But once I knew I couldn't work downstairs in the shop and you have to stand the majority of the day, I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do. About 2 weeks, Yo called me and said, I don't have a position open, but I'm going to make one for you. So my youngest daughter, she's severely special needs, and they've been really, really helpful with that. Anytime I need time off or need anything, no questions asked. Just go ahead and take care of what you got to take care of.
Tim Arnold, a Master Certified Systems Technician. I've been here for 10 years. I enjoy doing diagnostics, windshields, and basically just tearing anything down with my hands and then putting it back together. I started out as a trainee through my high school program, and then when I graduated high school, I went to NASCAR Technical Institute. From there, I went to the Mercedes-Benz Elite program. Then I came back. I've heard other stories from other shops where a guy worked there for 6 years and he saw the owner twice. I've seen Joanna 4 times this week, and it's only Tuesday, so it's incredible the way that they run the place around here. Every time you turn around, you see either Bruce or Joanna or Yule, somebody walking around just to say hi. But we play a bunch of jokes on each other and pranks, and I'm not the instigator. I'm just the target. For birthdays, we usually get something happens on birthdays. Well, I got dragged out of a car, duct taped, my hands behind my back. I then stuck to a pole with another technician, duct taped together, shaving cream, relish, ketchup, mustard, whatever you can find in the fridge. So you schedule your birthdays off, yeah.
I'm Yule. I'm the service director at Atlanta Classic Cars. I've been with the organization since 2011. I'm confident that I can walk down there and tell these guys that I've got to get this car fixed, and it's got to be fixed today. And I would have 3, 4, 5 people start working on that car, and nobody would worry about who's getting paid, how we getting paid. They would just do it. They know at the end of the day that they'll be taken care of. In order for us to move forward with the future, it requires new people. You know, a younger generation to come through.
The people here are the best part of the company because it's like a family.
Yeah, there's never a dull moment. We smile a lot.
This place has been good, too.
Yule? He's great. He's the best thing ever. Really? Yes. Yeah, where is he? He's the best boss ever. I'm a spokesperson talking about taking over Yule's job. Yeah.